Hello, and welcome to this week's episode of Engineering at Home. This week we're going to be building a pendulum and using it to paint. Let's get started. A pendulum is a weight suspended on a string or rod from a high point. When moved from its center and dropped, it will swing back and forth in what is called periodic motion. Periodic motion is a regular and repeating motion. Pendulums have been used in older clocks to move the hour and minute hands forward in a regular and repeating way.
First, let's gather the materials. We need paper, cardboard boxes, a napkin roll, some paint, pencils and scissors, tape and some twine, water, foam or paper cups, and an old piece of cloth if you're doing this inside. Now let's build the pendulum. On your prepped area, I have an old cloth as my surface protector. Grab your cup and with a pencil, punch one hole at the bottom of the cup and one on each side. Be careful not to stab yourself. Now grab your string and tie it through each hole. Okay, and you should have a little handle for your cup. Now grab the napkin roll and place it right through the cup. Grab your two boxes and you want to have them spread apart just enough for the napkin roll to lay flat on top. Okay, and with the tape, secure it the best you can. Okay, now the pendulum is complete. Before we start painting, you'll want to thin out the paint with some water. Add your paint to separate cups and slowly add water and mix until you have a thin and runny consistency. You'll want to put a generous amount of paint in each cup. And then we're going to be adding water slowly and then mixing between that we add water. And see, that is a little bit too thick, so we're going to go ahead and add a little bit more water and mix again. Essentially, you'll want 1 part paint and 2 parts water. Okay, that's a little bit better. And then let's go ahead and do the same thing for the rest of your colors. Once your paints are ready, place a piece of paper under your pendulum, and now we're ready to paint. Start by pulling the cup back and putting a finger at the bottom covering the hole. Grab your first paint and pour it into the cup. Pull back the cup and let's see how this goes. You can help it by giving it a little extra push. If you see there's no more paint coming out, you can always stop it. Put your finger at the bottom of the hole once more and pour in your second paint. And watch it go again. Always move your paper around too so that you can get different angles of it. This is why you need an easy to clean up area, or you can try this outside. And then let's go ahead and add the one final color. Now you can continue until you run out of paint or paper, and remember to clean up. Have fun!